Tell us Peter Obi achievement as the former governor of Anambra State.
Peter Obi left 12 billion naira and $50 million in Access Bank. Peter Obi left $50 million and 12 billion naira in Diamond Bank. Peter Obi left $56 million and 12 billion naira in Fidelity Bank. Nigeria Debt Management Office rated Anambra State as the least indebted state in Nigeria. Peter Obi government funded transformation of massive infrastructure development, accreditation of 12 health institutions, 2 hospitals, also built 10 maternal and child care centers across the state. It is impossible to talk about good governance in Nigeria without mentioning Peter Obi. Anambra was the first state in Nigeria to distribute more than 30,000 computers, 22,000 HP to secondary schools. Peter Obi distributes about 700 school buses to secondary schools in Anambra State and built 200 primary school blocks. Peter Obi gave 1 million each to more than 160 first-class graduates.
Peter Obi tackled political violence, ended godfatherism, and reduced insecurity in Anambra. Peter Obi, as a former governor, built over 800 kilometers of roads across all local government areas.